This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Insight service reminder. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, use the left or right arrow buttons on your steering wheel to scroll through the multi-information display. You'll want to find the Maintenance or Vehicle Information menu option. This initial step is crucial for accessing the reset function. Once you've found the Maintenance or Vehicle Information section, press the Enter button, usually located in the center of the arrow keys. This action will bring up the Maintenance Minder display. Here, you'll see a list of service items, often with a percentage indicating their remaining life. This is where your insight tells you what needs attention, like an oil change or tire rotation. To initiate the reset, press and hold the Enter button for about 10 seconds. Keep holding it until a message appears on the display asking if you wish to reset the maintenance items. This prompt is your confirmation step. Once it appears, use the arrow buttons to highlight Yes or Reset, and then press Enter again to confirm your selection. This action clears the current service reminder. After confirming the reset, the service reminder light on your dashboard should turn off, indicating a successful reset. It's important to perform this procedure only after you've completed the necessary maintenance, such as an oil change or tire rotation. Always refer to your Honda Insight's owner's manual for the most accurate and model-specific instructions, as slight variations can occur between different years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.